Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a vector portrait easily with Photoshop. First, open the file you needed. Create a duplicate of the image by pressing Ctrl+J. Then, separate the image and background by using Quick Selection tool. Then convert the selection to Smart Object by clicking the icon as shown. Duplicate it 2 times. Make the first image only visible. Then go to Filters, Poster Edges. Set the values to 0, 0 and 2. Then go to Filter, Sharpen, Unsharp Mask and set the values to 90%, 5 and 10. Then go to Filter, Oil Paint Filter and set values 3, 2 and 0.1, put all others to 0. Again go to Unsharp Mask and set the values to 60%, 5 and 5. Now make second layer visible. Then go to Filter Gallery and select Poster Edges. Set the values to 0, 3 and 6. Now go to Oil Paint Filter and set the values 4, 3 and 0.1, put all other values 0. Then make the layer as overlay and visibility to 25%. This will add some outlines. Then make the third layer visible and go to Filter, Others and High Pass Filter, set the radius to 2. Make the layer as overlay and then do some color corrections by adjusting levels, vibrance, etc. Merge all these layers as shown. Now create a new blank layer. Using the brush tool, create some color background and make the layer to overlay our soft light. That's all, our image is ready. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any doubt, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.